this video, we'll delve into the art of creating breathtaking floral arrangements. I'll be taking you through my process of designing stunning flower graphics using CorelDraw, specifically a beautiful blend of purple and yellow. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive in. First, I'm going to create my flower petals. I start off with a simple circle, and then I'll duplicate it to form a petal shape. By rotating and arranging them, we can create that beautiful floral symmetry. Remember, nature is all about balance. And speaking of balance, here's my first design tip: keep it balanced. As you're working on your designs, focus on distributing elements evenly across your canvas. This helps achieve visual harmony. As you can see, I've already started my design work here in CorelDraw. I've chosen these vibrant colors because purple symbolizes creativity and passion. While yellow radiates joy and energy, you can really express a wide range of emotions with just colors. My second tip is, don't be afraid of experimentation. Sometimes the best designs come from taking risks, whether it's mixing colors or altering shape, and makes your artwork more pleasing to the eye. Now, let's move on to the final touches. I'm adding some details to the flower centers to make them pop even more. This is where texture and shadow really is a feast for the eyes. Before we wrap up, here's a little quote to inspire you in your design journey. Consistency is the key to achieving and maintaining momentum. Keep designing regularly and you'll see tremendous growth. Purple and yellow flower design with some leaves around it, created right here in CorelDraw. Look at how the colors complement each other. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any future design tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments below what colors you'd like to see me use next. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.